Good evening, friends. In the last video, we see new measure versus new column. So in this video, we are going to learn difference between implicit measures versus explicit measures. For that, first we upload the data in Power BI desktop. File name is retail store. Select the sheet. Click on load button. So here in the data field section, you can find all the columns in our data set. Go to table view. So here first we work on new measure. First we find total profit here, underscore is equal to sum of column name profit, bracket complete, press enter. So here you have total profit underscore m measure. This is explicit measure. To find the difference between these both, go to the report view, select the card. First we drag the profit into the card, click outside the box, again select card, and now drag total profit underscore m explicit measure. So this one is implicit measure and this one is explicit measure. So basically difference or importance of explicit measure is like it is faster than implicit measure, consume less memory, and if we have 7 to 8 tables in our data set, then we can connect this explicit measure with the other tables column. So it is main importance of explicit measure. It shows same value, nothing different, but use of this explicit measure and implicit measure is different. So this is all for this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari. Share and like my videos and comment on it. Thank you.